It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you. Baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a Ankara inspired collaboration with my girl Dilias Empire. Here on YouTube. She's one of the YouTubers that I do follow and I love her work. I'm gonna leave a video link in the description box down below. So beautiful young lady, so you make sure you guys follow her on Instagram and subscribe to her channel. Okay, show her some support. I had already applied my moisturizer, so the next thing that I did, I applied my face primer, and I already did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer on my eyelid. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using my NYX liquid lipstick in matte. I'll list the name down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a blending brush and make sure that it is well blended. So this is gonna act as my transition shade. I'm grabbing this nice burgundy color from a Sleek palette, and I'm just gonna set that up. So you want to make sure that you blend it so well, and I'm gonna keep on building this up, like, you know, I wanted it more defined. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this nice dark purple kind of color. I'm gonna apply this onto my outer V, my outer corner or my outer V, and I'm just gonna build it up, and you know, just making sure that I define my outer V. The next thing that I did is I grabbed this black eyeshadow from the same Sleek palette, and just making sure that my outer V is well defined.
And you are the only person that I choose. You day your body, and you day my body, you they give.
And so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my concealer just on my lid, a little bit on my lid. I'm using this nice orangey color from a Sleek palette. I'm gonna list all the details in the description box down below, you guys. I went ahead with this nice sparkly orangey color from another Sleek palette, and just gonna go over it because it's got like a little bit of shimmer and sparkly to it. I just thought this looks beautiful, and I'm gonna make sure that I blend everything, making sure that there are no lines of demarcation between the eyeshadows. So you guys know that I'm not a makeup artist, I just love makeup and just do what I can. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone and making sure that I blend everything.
I see for my dream, you want
and I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in a shade 440. That's my shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender by Real Techniques. I love this beauty blender. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything out, and you need to make sure that your beauty blender is a bit wet or a bit damp so that it doesn't absorb all your foundation, you guys. I love this foundation, you guys.
Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long.
So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm using this Revolution concealer in shade 14. Unfortunately, I could not find the lighter shades. They only had shade 14 and 15. I don't know why they didn't have any shade 12 there in. I'm surprised Superdrug didn't have all the range. They only had like 13 or so ranges, but the only for the darker shades was only shade 14 and 15. So yeah, but it still did a good job, you guys. It does feel so great. It does the job pretty well. I went ahead and applied my Sacha Cosmetics, my Sacha Buttercup, just to set the concealer.
Don't let it go. You've got one life to live. Don't let it.
I did let the powder sit for a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and dust it all off and making sure that everything is blended flawlessly. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my MAC Studio Fix in NW50. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face.
Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out. I lost your little song. Just saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to
absolutely love this highlighting palette, you guys. This is so beautiful. I love my sleek products. You guys know that from the beginning I've always talked about sleek products. I'm gonna use my MAC Raisin blush just to finish off my face, and then I'm gonna do right now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face and set my makeup using the Revolution Fix spray.
I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause
and I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lid using the NYC liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner of all times. So let me know, guys, if you like to see more makeup tutorials from me, you guys. I'll be happy to do that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start lining my lips. I'm using MAC Night Mouth.
Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl.
And I used these eyelashes from a local beauty supply store, and oh my gosh, these were so thick and they were looking super crazy, but that's what I had. This is the finished look. I'm just gonna go ahead and position my Ankara cloth. I bought this in a local market. So yes, I hope you guys love the finished look. I did enjoy filming this look for you guys, and make sure you guys follow my girl Dilias Empire. Make sure you show her some love and support, you guys. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.